We haven't pressed play yet, Dills. Honestly. Now, I don't want to be wrecking your head, posting all the time, hogging up your timeline on Facebook and all this kind of stuff. So this is a very impromptu cooking lesson. Kids, grab. What am I doing here? That's how impromptu it is. We're not even ready. Grab a few eggs. Everybody's telling you and telling your mums and dads you don't have time to cook. It's really hard to cook. We're going to show you on top of a stool in the playroom how easy it is to cook. Heat on a frying pan. We're going to crack some eggs. Get that pan nice and hot. We're just throwing around and we're making this up as we go along. Okay, so the reason why I say put on an alert when we go live on Facebook is that it'll only get the people who want to be watching this kind of stuff. As I said, I don't want to be hogging up all your timelines and wrecking all your heads. Massive reaction yet again. Everyone's asking us to go again. So yes, we will. But for now, I'm just going to show you this. We'll give you plenty of notifications. Don't you worry. Anybody watching, Shani?
60 almost.
Really?
65 now.
My God. Okay, frying pan. Get it nice and hot. Okay? A little bit of olive oil. And kids, I want to show you you can do this absolutely anywhere. Cooking is really, really simple. So we're definitely going to go again. And a good old knobbing of butter. Okay? And we'll worry about all the calories in a week or two time. So look, I'm using a wooden spoon to cook this entire dish. There we are, whiskey the eggs. Shawnee, you're the only one that has the comments. So if anyone's saying anything, you're going to have to let us know.
Mitchell says no eggs in my supermarkets.
No, go out and find a chicken. And bring them home. And it won't be long until you have your eggs. Look how easy this is, guys. Butter, oil, into a really hot frying pan. We're cooking on a little camping pan, and we're cooking on stools, and we've got Dills. Did you say good afternoon, everybody?
Hello.
There you go. Okay, so we've whisked up 3 eggs, and look, guys, straight in. Simple. Get in close to the pan here, Shani. Very simple little stirry like that. Okay, and then very simply, leave it alone. What's the most important cooking thing in cooking, Dills?
Seasoning.
Season. A little bit of rock salt. Beautiful. A little bit of pepper. Beautiful. In the playroom, cooking on a stool, making food that all the big guys say you don't have time to, you can't do it. Well, we're showing you that's all a load of nonsense. Bit of cheese, and you can do this absolutely anywhere. What a pain that our video was taken off the chicken curry last night, guys. But it is up on YouTube. There's a link on the Facebook Live, so the whole video is there, so you can copy on that link and work away and do the video that we did last night, the chicken curry. What are you laughing at?
You forgot the sizzle dance.
Oh, sizzle. I tell you, lads, this is taking off. There's kids all around the world doing the sizzle dance. Yeah. Kids all around the world doing the sizzle dance. Except for you.
I'm stuck in the stew.
Will you get up and do it if I hold the plate? No. Watch. Show the pan nice and close, Shani, look. Egg, lovely, beginning to settle. Cheese, beautiful, beginning to melt. Have I done anything difficult, guys? Anybody watching, Sean, or am I talking to myself?
200.
You're kidding me. 200 of you watching. Boom. Okay, so look at that. Come in close to the pan. I want to show you a little bit of magic, kids, all right? And the only reason why I'm doing this like this is because I want you sitting at home going, I wonder when he's going to come onto the screen next. So hit the alert on our Facebook page for when we post. Now, pay attention. This could go horribly wrong, Dales. There was no fire. The thing didn't explode on us today. But watch. Okay? So we're going to get in and we just do a little bit of loosening it up. Loosening it up around the pan like this. Okay? You can do it a little bit of loosening up more. That's perfect. We're gonna turn off the heat. Now kids, look, we're just gonna go flicky dicky, like so. And all the experts are out there going, an omelette shouldn't be coloured like that. This is a no. Oh yeah, like we practiced this all day yesterday. This is a no zone, okay? How hard was this? 3 eggs, a little bit of cheese. Look at that, put it down and then pull the pan over. And guys, you've just created the most amazing cheese omelette. It is that simple to cook. That's why you want to come and check out this channel here, guys. Kids, if you're going to make this for lunch, you know what to do. Send me a picture and post it up. But for now, ta-da! A 3-egg omelette cooked on a stool in our playroom. Bye.